So what you doing now?
Just applying the tomatoes, then I'm gonna apply this.
What's that?
It's gardens.
Okay.
Daddy, do you want?
Yeah, all of us. Did you ask your sister if she wants? Do you think she's gonna want?
Okay. She doesn't like it.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So before you put the patty on, what did you put on?
I put on a tomato and I first put butter on. Then I put it on tomato and mayonnaise.
And then you put the patty.
Yes, and then I put the patty, then I put the tomatoes, and then I put the what's the name on.
Okay, so what you doing now?
I'm just going to put on the lettuce. She can at least have two. You want tasty? Let's eat smoothie. If you can add salt or pepper with your food, you would like it. Then it will be fine. Then you can just close it.
That looks divine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what you doing now?
I'm just gonna cut the bread now.
You're cutting it in squares or in just once? How are you cutting it?
Squeeze, I think. I think in squares is better.
So this one is for?
This one is for my sister, and this one is for me. Bon appetit.
Okay. So can you please tell us what's your name and how old are you?
I'm 7 years old. I live in Roulette. My street's name is 8 Elton Street. And my name is Sherminay.
Okay, thank you very much, Sherminay.
And it's Sherminay's birthday. Woo! From our kitchen to your kitchen, this is Nene's kitchen. Like and subscribe.